Alright, today I am here to teach my fellow brothers, my friends, my sisters, my brothers. I'm here to teach how to make a portable laptop stand for DJs. You see, this is the frame. Yes, I just create this one. I create this. Yeah, this is the frame. This is knot. Yeah, this is bolt. This is knot rather. This is 12 inches or 10 inches bolt knot. I welded it on this frame. This is flat bar. This is flat bar. We normally use this flat bar for making big gate. Yeah, normally we use this flat bar for making big gate. So I use this one and use this. I wear this knot on it. Yeah, so you could see the bolt inside this hole, this pipe hole. You call this half-inch pipe, half-inch round pipe. Yeah, we normally use this one for burglar-proof windows. Yeah, so I just create something. Just want to show my brothers how I did it. Okay, so as I finished with this frame, you just tight this one on top. Keep it on top like this. You be turning your hand like this. Yeah, as you normally screw both a knot. That's how you are going to do it. Yeah, this is very simple. Yeah, so I got another one here too. So after tighten one, then we come to the other one too. This is very creative. This is very creative. Normally we buy the original. They call something original in our country. Anything from outside coming, we call it original. But they don't know that we have the skill, we have the original thing in our country. But just to create it or just to believe in ourselves, that's the problem. Yeah. So as I tied this one, I'm gonna tie the second one also. As this is very simple, as we normally screw both and not always. This is very simple. Yeah, this is very simple. You just tight it. Make sure you tight it to the level that you want. Yeah. So after I got another frame here, I created this myself. So I just want to teach anyone who is interested, anyone who is ready to do it. Yeah, I created this. Yeah, you could see the hole inside. I did my hole, did everything. Yeah, it's very simple. So you could see this. You could see how it takes. Very simple, very smart. Yeah. So you're gonna put this one on top like this. Then you take your knot like this. The screw is already inside. As I showed you earlier, the screw is inside. The knot is inside the pipe, the round pipe already. You have welded it. Do everything simply. So we're going to put it on the top frame. Yeah, this is 11 inches. 11 inches by 6 inches. 11 inches by 6 inches, right? And this leg is 10 inches. 10 inches tall. 10 inches tall. Anyone that knows how measuring tape will know what I'm talking about. This is 10 inches. Yeah, this is 10 inches tall. So after tightening it like this, you're just gonna put the top frame on it like this. Then you take your knot, you just screw it. As I screw the down one, that's the same way you are going to screw the top. As I'm doing, just screw it like this. Then you take the other one too. Just screw it. Just screw this one, the top one also. You just screw it. This is very simple method. Very simple method that I'm teaching. You can learn it. You can practice it. And even if you need bulk purchase, I'm gonna do it for you. There's no problem with that. even if you are overseas, I'm gonna deliver it to you. The seriousness is only you. If you are serious, I'm gonna deliver it everywhere you are, anywhere. And as I'm teaching it, you can also learn it. See, this is very simple. See, so you have gotten our laptop stand. Just simple method like this. So if you carry this and compare to the one that they just call the original one, the so-called original one, because it comes from abroad or overseas. If you compare it, you are going to see this is very nice. This is very simple and nice. Yeah, it's very simple and nice. So this is how laptop stands are made, and I have other designs which are very portable, which are very strong. Yeah, so this is our laptop stand. We got this here. I got this locker, as you could see. I got this locker. This locks the laptop, and we get the one that we've welded something here. That's very nice. That's also nice. And the next video, I'm gonna show you how I did that one also. So this first video, please, I'm pleasing you people to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. That I'm gonna bring more. I'm gonna bring very interesting object. This is very nice, as you can see. This can last for so many years. This can last for so many years, unless you're willing to change it before you change this, because this one will never damage. This one will never shake. It will never bend. Nothing will do to this one. We are going to use it forever, as I want to say, because this is very strong. You see, as you can see this one. So after this one, as you finish, so I'm here to keep my laptop on it so that you can see how it is. Yeah, this is very nice. See, so now I'm keeping my laptop on it. Yes, so you could see my laptop has sit down on it like this. So you could see the laptop is sitting on it. This is very simple and nice. So anything you want to do, you are good to go. This is very simple, very nice. So I recommend this for DJs. If you need anyone need it, just give me a call. I'm gonna do it for you anywhere. I'm at Kaswa Walantu Junction. Yes, Accra, Ghana, Kaswa. Anyone that need even bulk purchase, if you want to sell, if you need it bulk purchase to sell, if you need it a retail, wholesale, anything, you can just contact me. I'm gonna do it for you. My number is 0500 400 543. The number again, as I call it, 0500 400 543. So if you're interested, just give me a call. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna deliver it for you. Yeah, this is very simple. So you can close your laptop on it like this. As DJs, people that are sound engineers, they know. Yeah, this is very simple. Very simple.
Hello?
So after you finish, you take your laptop like this. Assuming you have closed your program, you take your laptop like this. You begin to lose it. Yeah, you begin to lose it. You begin to lose it. Begin to lose the bolt and the nut. Very simple like this. See, as I'm losing it, that's how it is. Very simple. Very simple. Well skilled. So you're gonna remove it like this. You see my top frame? As I remove it, yes, you keep it inside your bag. So after, then you lose this one also. You lose the legs. Just I'll call it the legs. You lose it. This is very simple. Yes, this is very simple but nice. So please like and subscribe and share my YouTube video. Please, I'm begging you for more videos to come out. For me to bring more videos for you, it takes your kindness, your sacrifice to subscribe and share my videos. Yeah, so that I'm gonna bring you a lot. So as I got my legs back, got my down frame back, I put it inside my bag. Yes, I got my knot back. I just keep it. So thanks to everyone. I just bring this one for you. The next one I'm gonna bring another star for you. This is very nice. Yes, this is very nice. This is done in Ghana here. Don't please stop always saying original one just because they do it overseas or it's from abroad, because this is very nice, very strong. You can use this for so many years without any problem. Thank you. Please subscribe and share my YouTube video. Thank you. Bye bye.